It is August and my feet are kind of gnarly. I'm just going to tell you that. From surfing to walking on my grass, doing grounding, all of the things. So the one beauty product I am never without that is so cheap, castor oil. I am such a huge fan of castor oil. It comes from the castor bean. It's been on the planet for a long time. It's non-toxic. I mean, I just really, honestly, I'm so addicted to this stuff. So I'll get my castor oil, I'll rub it into my dry feet, put on some fluffy socks, watch a movie, go to bed. And the next day when I wake up, my feet are so much better. I also will put it on my dry and frizzy hair, trying to calm the mess down. So when you're looking for castor oil, couple things to consider. Always get it in a glass bottle. It's so important. Oil can really break down plastic. And so if you buy it in a plastic bottle, breaks it down, whatever is in the bottle now has plastic, nanoplastics in it. So we don't want that. Also get the hexane free and get organic. And it's a little bit more of an investment, but I promise you it's worth it. And then if you don't like the smell, there's not really a smell to most of them, but put a little lavender essential oil in and it will just increase your spa treatment and make you feel so fabulous. Enjoy.